And I'm not gonna do my intro. What's up, guys? What's up, you guys? This is my granddad, and granddad, I'm gonna walk around for a bit, and then I'll come back. Yeah? Okay, cool. Thanks. So basically, I was planning. Ooh, what is that? They're more like green parrots. Did they? Did they drop anything? Of green feather? Cause I, what was that? I'm literally walking away to my granddad's grave. What's that? If you guys give me like 2,000 likes, I'll do a next video on Halloween. That's if with my boyfriend, or which way should I go? That way? I'll go this way. I don't know why I like this way. I prefer this way because I like crazy stuff. Give me like 2,000 likes, and then leave the comments down below, and then I will explain what happens on Halloween. I'm not sure if people died here. You know, die on a graveyard. Die on a graveyard. Give me like, leave down in the comments below if you want me to to my sister graveyard and doing Halloween to my granddad's graveyard. And then we'll see how spooky the graveyard can be. I definitely don't like that crack. Literally. Oh, I think I saw a squirrel. Squirrel. Wait, I saw something. I saw a squirrel, guys. Yeah, this tree just looks spooky. Look, I found a squirrel already. And I want nuts. What happened? I don't know. Where's the good nuts? Plus, I don't know what these cords are. Not gonna pick it up. Oh, feather! Feather just came down out of nowhere. Feather. I don't know what bird it is. Because their feather is actually came down. I literally do not like these trees. I swear that's real like a love heart. If you guys want me to do this on Halloween, I'm happy to do it. But and again, I'll be completely scared. And I'm not lying. Oh, I won't go this way. Let me go the other way. If you guys want me to do the Halloween one, I won't be scared. I promise. I want to know what happens on Halloween. Or what bad history of what happens on Halloween. Look at that. That part I don't like. Wait, I didn't have something else. Yeah, that part I don't like at all. Hey, look at this one. Yeah, the trees is actually really, really spooky, in my opinion. Let me go to the other side. I'll walk on this pavement. Look, it's cracked. Look at it, it's cracked already. I'm not sure this is actually a grave I'm walking on. I'm not quite sure. If this is a grave, if there's someone die down here, I'll be doing, aren't I? Yeah. I see another squirrel. And I find a plane somewhere around. Yeah. Let's go down here. I want to know what's down here actually. Because I've never been down here before. And look. Also like squirrels out and about. I want to know what's down here. If you guys want me to do my sister on Halloween. Oh look, there's two birds again. Oh, more. I wonder what they're doing here. What the heck? Let's see if I can find a green feather. I'm keeping that one. Any green feather? No. They fly super, super fast, guys. Is that a feather? Yeah, this bird's not green. I like the green ones. It's amazing to see green birds. I want to know what's down this way. Oh, my graveyard that side. What's in the shade? I want to look what happens in the shade. There's squirrels that side. What's in the shade down here? Look. Squirrel. Scribble. Scribble. Oh, the squirrel's coming now. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, you had to respect to the graveyard. So you're like staying quiet. So if there's any happen to me, it's gonna be my fault. And I wanna be, I wanna know what happens at Halloween. At night. Come here at night. Imagine. Yeah, if you guys want me to come here on Halloween, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to. I thought I see a green bird again, because I never seen green birds at the graveyard before. Somebody died here. This is part 2, guys. If you watched the first, oh god, look at that. If you watch the short video or the bit longest video, when I actually came here, please watch that first and give this one 3,000 likes or 2,000 likes on this video. I'm here to see what happens in the graveyard. If Bandy or something came out of the graveyard, I'll be scared. Literally scared. Poison mushrooms. I'm going up to the hill. If you want to know the history, ooh, I like that bird. If you want to know about the history, you should know what happens on Halloween. Dragonfly. Never seen it for a while. Yeah, this dragonfly, it's a dragonfly. Sorry. Yeah, if you want to know what happened on Halloween, the history of Halloween, go on Google and tell me what happened, or I had to explain if people who don't know what might happen. Dragonfly! Whoa, easy dragonfly, easy. Hold your horses. I find it weird because you have to, on Halloween, you have to respect the graves, and plus you don't know who you're dealing with. For example, what's that plant? Oh. Plus you don't know who you're dealing with, especially at night. Yeah, I know you won't let me go to the graveyard. I'll be careful. I might get one of my family to do a Halloween night. Maybe. Yeah, I had to respect to the graveyards. If I haven't already, I'm sorry. I just want to do a video on it. If you want to know what that big lumps are, I think those lumps are more of no crap, it's the end of the graveyard and someone's body is there. Sorry mate. Is that actually I want to know what's down there. And again, I'm scared. This could be a tart. You know, like when people die, so then you saw a tart, it like scares you. Yeah, I saw one of them before. I'm not sure how many times, but yeah. I think they do digging. Because they might put some graveyards in around this area. But I'm not sure they might do it there or there. I just saw something fell. If you gave me like 2,000 likes, I'll do a next video on Halloween. And then I will let you know when I do it. I think I saw a feather, but I don't want to step on some grave. I wouldn't know what happened on Halloween. I feel bad. What happened on Halloween? Can you guys please let me know what happens on Halloween at night in the graveyard? And please tell me down the comments below, please. I'm gonna end this video here and see you guys next time. Bye.